Hi there. Happy to be with you today. My name is Natasha Sillerbach, and I'm a certified sustainability champion. And I'm here in my new office. Actually, it was always there behind my green room, and I'm happy to share it with you. It'll be evolving through time, and so you'll see me evolving. And just like the seasons, and it's spring, I'm so excited to be sharing this with you today as spring is beginning to spring. Little plants are popping up here. The birds on my deck have been by a few times to remind me that things are really exciting. I'm experiencing new insights and I'm really excited to be with you today, talking to you about the 7 R's of sustainability and why there are 7 of them. So let's get started. I just published a blog called The 7 R's of Sustainability and Why. So there's lots more information for you to read, but today I thought I would just introduce you to them. There'll be a series of these little videos coming up, but today I want to introduce them and let you know why they're important and how they can be used to reduce our footprint, which we're always trying to do. So a while back, I realized, they're talking about the 3 R's. They're always saying reduce, reuse, and then recycle. I added 4 more after doing some research, and they're really useful when we go to do something that is related to maybe having to buy something or throw something away. We get it at both ends of it when we're considering purchasing something or when we're throwing it away. So what I added to it was 4 more, and they're rethink, refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, rot, and recycle. That's actually all 7 of them. And the way we can use them, I'll let you know in a minute, but the new ones to the 3 R's are to rethink whether you really need it in the first place. Maybe you already have it. To refuse things that don't match your values. To rot, which is to compose things, and then repair. So do all those things before you consider recycling. Recycling is actually the very last recourse for us. And I really like to make that point, to consider all the other R's before you throw something away. So these can be used to guide your sustainable choices, and we can break out of being afraid and overwhelmed and feel empowered, which is really what I love to do, is for you to feel empowered that the little things you do are going to make a big difference as we move forward. So the 3 reasons why there are 7 is I wanted us to have more options before we put it in the recycle bin, to break out of that mindset of, well, just throw it away, and to give us more options. And that's what I said, more options for all of these. And then the 3rd reason is to turn the care that we all have for making this planet a place that we can live in forever, and that there's enough for everyone forever, and to turn that care into action. So the 3 reasons are we can have more options with the 7 R's. It helps us break out of the throw it away mentality, and it's opportunity to turn our care into action. If there's anything else. Also, every single time we use one of the 7 R's, we are breaking out of the linear economy, which I will talk about later, and putting it into the circular economy. Instead of just taking it from Mother Earth and making something out of it and throwing it away, We reuse it, we recycle it, we think about whether we really wanted it all, and all the 7 Rs are part of a circular economy. So those are the reasons why I'm really passionate about the 7 Rs. I look forward to talking to you more about them. I really would like to encourage you to go ahead and make comments when you're watching this video, whether you're watching it live or if you're watching a recording. Would love to have that engagement. And for any questions that you have, I'd love to know what they are and which of the 7 Rs are you most excited to hear about next. Anything else? It's springtime. Let's really see what the universe and what our Mother Earth is bringing to us. Thank you so much. Really happy to have you for a few minutes as I introduce you to the 7 Rs of sustainability, the first in a series of 7 more workshops on the 7 Rs. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.